So this is one way you find the minor chord. This is another example. In the case of C sharp, from here we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here we count 3, 1, 2, 3 to get our C sharp. Greetings to you, and today we'll be doing the major chords, the minor chords, and then the diminished chords. What does it mean by major chord, minor chord, and diminished chord? First of all, before we continue, I will take you through the major scale. We'll be doing the examples in the key of C, C major. And so when we talk of a major chord, taking into consideration the major scale of C, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First, okay, I'm taking it again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. This is the major scale of C. Okay, so we have been giving them numbers. So the do is given a number which we term as degree 1. Re is 2, mi is 3, fa is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, and then you get back to your 1. And so to form a major scale, we use a formula called the 135. But in this session, I'm going to use the counting method. There are a lot of ways you can find the major chords and minor chords. But in this session, we'll be using the counting method, which you see on the screen. On the major scale, you see 135, that is first, third, and fifth. Then you see 4 and 3. What does it mean? So this is our major C major note. Okay, I want to find the major chord of this C. The formula is telling us to count 4 from this note. We count 4 from this note, including all black keys. Note it. Then if you count 4, you'll get your third, and then from your third you count 3. This is what I mean. So this is my notes. I count 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I count 4, I get my third. All right. Then from the third, I count 3 steps to get my fifth. So I go 1, 2, 3. Okay. So that's how we find it. I'm taking it again. From your first, or from the note you want to form the chord on, you count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 to land on your third. Then from this third, you count 2 to get your fifth. So from here, you go you count 3 to get your fifth. So you go 1, 2, 3. Then this gives you the chord of C major. C major. Let's use another example. Assuming I'm in the key of, let's say, C sharp, and I want to find the chord of this C sharp. It is the same principle. From here, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I get my third. Then from there, from this third, I count another 3 steps. 1, 2, 3 to get my fifth. Then you play it as the chord of C major, like this. Okay. Let me use one more example. In the key of F sharp, for instance, this our F sharp notes. Now, from here we count 1, 2, 3, 4. We land here. Then from here we count 1, 2, 3. We land here. Then we play together. Okay. So this is what I mean, right? Okay. So that is all about major chords. Then how do we find minor chords? A minor chord is simply a major chord with a flat 3. I take it again. A minor chord is a major chord with flat 3. So let me use the case of C. C major. So from here we count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. We get our C major chord. After getting the C major chord, if you want to get the C minor chord, we already know that the formula is 1, 3, 5. to get your C minor chord, what we do is we bring the third back one step. That is what we say flat 3, because movement from this side to this side is termed as flat, as I explained in previous videos. And so from here to here gives our C minor. So this is one way you find the minor chords. So let me use another example. In the case of C sharp, from here we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here we count 3, 1, 2, 3 to get our C sharp major chord. Alright. Now from here, if you want to form the C sharp minor chord, what we do is just bring this back just one step. Okay. Alright. So that's all about minor chords. Another way we can find the minor chord is that when we were finding the major chords, we said we count 4, then 3. But the formula for finding the minor chord will be the vice versa. We first count 3, then afterwards we count 4 to get our fifth. Okay, so from here, we count 1, 2, 3. Okay, then from here, the third, we count another 1, 2, 3, 4. To get our fifth. So you understand it. So in simple terms, the formulas are for the major and minor are 4, 3, and 3, 4, respectively. Okay. If you don't understand anything, put it in the comment section and I will make sure you understand it. Now, there is another chord we know as the diminished chord. So this diminished chord, diminished, the term implies that shrunk. Something diminished means something small. It is given the name due to its size or the shape of it. And to form the diminished chord, using C sharp, C major for example. So to form the diminished chord, one way to form it is that diminished chord is a minor chord with a flat 5. So we got to know that this is our C minor chord, we known as the diminished chord. If I want to form the C diminished chord, what I do is I flat the 5. Alright. You see how small it is? That's why it gets the name diminished, small. Okay. This is our C major chord, this is our C minor chord, and this is our C diminished chord. Okay. So that's it, diminished chord. Let's use the example in C sharp. Okay, so we get it in C sharp. C sharp, we get our minor. From here, we flat the third, we get our minor. Then, if you want to get a diminished, what we do is we flat this. For the purpose of those players in key of F, I'm going to do it in the key of F. So this is our key of F. If you want to form the chord of the F major, we count 1, the major chord, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then from here, we count 1, 2, 3 to get our C major chord. If we want to form the C minor chord, what we do is we bring the third back 1. That's all. Then if you want to form this F major diminished, what we do is we bring the fifth back 1. Right. So that's all about major, minor, diminished. Now, how do we use this? In every scale,